Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the Zippy balance insert for the Glidr Bermuda. I'm going to show you first how to assemble it. When it's shipped to you, it'll come like this, and you can see it has this lip on the edge that prevents it from falling out on a drop. So what you're going to do, pick up your Glidr Bermuda, make sure the weight side of the insert is facing the pointed section of the blade, and just pop it in. With my thumb, I'm going to slide it up to eliminate that gap, and then I'm just going to push it in. And as I push it in, the gap came back a little bit, so I'm just going to slide it up again and then pop this in with my thumb. And that's it. If there's like a little bit of the lip that's sort of depressed down here, you can just push it through again and make sure everything looks nice. Too easy. So to pull it out, you can just use your finger and push, and then just pull it out. So to add weights to this thing, and to remove weights, you can either take it out and use a 2mm hex key or the tip of a pen and just push the weight out, and it should just pop right out. And then to put the weight back, you just use your thumb on either side and just push down. It should pop right in. If you don't feel like taking the insert out of the Bermuda to do this, there is a way to do it when it's still installed. So I'm going to reinstall this to show you. So for this, you can just put the flat edge of the blade flat on a surface. I am using a table here, and I have the handles actually hanging off the edge of the table, so the blade is completely flat. And then you can just use your hex key, if you have one, or the tip of a pen, and just put it on the ball, and then angle the blade up. And just kind of gently push it out. It's a little bit harder with a pen just because it'll slide off, but you can see I got it out. I'm gonna take a few more out with the hex key to show you. And then if I want to pop them back in, I can just put it right on top and push down with my thumb. I can also put the ball on top and then push it in with any rigid object. You can use something like a hex key. I actually find it easier to use just a rigid flat object. So here I have just a piece of scrap plastic with a flat bottom, and I'll just put it on top and push it down with my thumb, and it'll just pop right in. So this mod adds weight to the edge of the blade, so it makes it less handle biased, more neutral, and you can just adjust the balance to however you see fit. My personal preference is with all 6 balls in, but perhaps you only want 3 balls in if you want a little more handle biased. So super easy, and you can just pop them right back in. When you're adjusting the weight, I do advise you taking the balls out from the side closer to the handles first. Having more tip weight is very helpful for the balance of the Bermuda. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks, guys.